Holy crap. And I'm just catching the tail end of this line. They're still coming. I shit you not. There was crows for miles. Just flew over top of me. Crazy. Oh, here comes some more. Look at them. Thousands of them. Holy crap. Oh, more. Here comes a straggler. There he is. Oh, here comes some more. Whoa, holy crap, another old flock of them right over me. Wow. Whoa. Holy smokes. That one gonna try to shit on me. Wow. Unbelievable. What's going on here, man? Holy crap. I got some other ones flying around fighting like cats and dogs here. Holy moly. Oh, look, there goes Okemi. Yeah, they've been spraying since early this morning. I've been up since about 2 this morning, and every time I went outside, there'd be another jet over my house dropping bombs. So yeah, they're saying mostly cloudy today, high in the 50s. So, but they've been spraying all night. It's got the bugs, it's got the birds flying, man. I don't know what's up, but the birds are moving. Anyways, got a partial moon over there. I don't know if you can see it. There it is, right there. All right, man. What's up? Peace.